Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie and I'm here today to unbox the February Beauty Heroes box. So I'm a few days late because my box didn't get here until today, which is, I'm filming this on Saturday, February 4th, and hopefully posting it on the same day. Yeah, my box came like a little bit later, so I'm a little bit late with it. Please excuse my look. It's Saturday and I'm home with the kids and the babies, and we're getting like a cold snap here in New England. And last night it was negative 11 degrees. So today our house is like it's normally set at 70, it's set at 72 to like try to compensate. And it's been at like 62. It can't keep up. The pipes are frozen in one of the bathrooms downstairs. And we're just trying to like keep the little babies warm because they're 10 weeks old. So we have them dressed in fleece, and like the older kids are wearing little sweatsuits and stuff. I have my sweatshirt on, clearly no makeup or anything, and my hair is in a bun. And I just was like, you know what? My husband was giving me some time to do this. So I'm like, let's just do it. So this is my look. I look like this the past few videos. At some point I'll try to look better in some of the videos, but let's unbox this together. So I don't know which brand it is, although I did see something about the brand Lady Sweet, which I think is like for, I don't know if it's like vaginal care or something. I could have it wrong too. I thought that's what that brand is, and I saw something in like an email or maybe on Instagram, and I'm like, oh no, did I just see a spoiler? So I don't know if that's what it is, or if it's somebody different. So let's just find out together. So here it is. This is the February 2023 box. Oh, cool. So whatever I saw was completely off. This is exciting. This is featuring Leilani. I have used their Bless Beauty Balm I got like a little sample of it in a Petit Vour box in 2021, and it was really beautiful. It was like a nice moisturizer, had a beautiful scent, so I'm excited to see what's in here. And if you happen to watch my channel, I got a Leilani set of little masks, like a trio of their 3 masks. So it'll be interesting to see if one of their masks is in here. But that's about the only thing I've ever tried from Leilani is their Melly Glow, the Bless Balm. So we'll see what's in here. This is exciting. I've heard wonderful things about this brand, and I really haven't used much by them. So I'm excited. And I'm kind of happy it's not what I thought the spoiler I saw was, because I'm not really a huge fan of like getting products to use down there. Okay, cool. So this is what we have here. It says we have the Aqua A Retinoid Renewing Serum, which is kind of interesting because we got a phytoretinol product fairly recently in the last few months from True Botanicals. So that's kind of interesting. And then we have the Pamplemousse Tropical Enzyme Cleansing Oil. Ooh, I think I've heard about this, that it smells so good. So I'm really excited. That reminds me, I have another product of theirs in my cabinet. It's like a moisturizer of theirs that I think I got as a gift with purchase or something that I've never opened. So maybe what I'll do this month is use these 2 products, open the moisturizer to get like a full Leilani experience, and like use one of the masks too. I think I'll do that. I'm excited. Look at how pretty the packaging is though. That's really nice. Pretty colors. I'm really excited for this box. Yay. And I was totally surprised, which you guys know like is what I'm going for. So let's see here. Okay, the Aqua A Retinoid Renewing Serum. It's 1 ounce for $74. It says sweet dreams are made with HPR retinoid, a gentle, stable, bioavailable form of vitamin A that blurs fine lines, slows wrinkle formation, and boosts collagen and elastin while you sleep. Aqua A Retinoid Renewing Serum features hydroxypinocolone retinoate, HPR, a unique derivative of retinoic acid that directly binds to retinoid receptors in our skin without the metabolic breakdown process that other forms of retinoid require. Simply put, this active gets to work immediately to boost cellular turnover and decrease the appearance of UV-induced skin damage without causing irritation and sensitivity often experienced with other retinoids. Plumping ceramides support and strengthen the skin barrier and boost collagen and elastin, and an amino acid-rich complex blend of spirulina and green caviar oil conditions and revitalizes the skin while decreasing signs of inflammation and photoaging. Finally, a cocktail of 3 marine and botanical superfoods give Aqua A its namesake color. Ooh, blue spirulina, blue tansy, I like blue tansy, and rainforest blue essential oil. That sounds pretty. For uninterrupted complexion renewal, Aqua A is best used at night during skin's natural renewal cycle. The superpower ingredients are HPR retinoid, ceramides, spirulina, sea caviar, kakadu plum, and then apple and apple stem cells. I'm going to test it on my hand, but first I have to remove my sticker. My kids do swimming on Saturday mornings, and they come home with stickers, and they're always like, which sticker do you want to put on your hand? Okay, so here it is. So this is a retinoid serum. Good, I'm glad I'm getting this when I'm not pregnant. It says the ritual. Apply an even layer to dry, freshly cleansed skin, PM only. Avoid using around the eye area. Wait 1 to 2 minutes and follow with your evening moisturizer. Pretty bottle. All right. So yeah, I still think it's interesting that they did like a vitamin A with True Botanicals. I think in like possibly November. Don't quote me on that. And then now they're doing one in February. That seems like, I wonder if people are going to be like, oh, another vitamin A thing, you know? That's kind of my first thought. But I'm not upset about it. Plus the True Botanicals one was only 60 capsules, so it, in theory would only last like 2 months. Nice scent. All right, so it's like definitely like an oil. Sorry about the lighting. Actually, let me try to fix that a little bit. Anyway, so that's just a, smells nice. I like the smell. It's kind of fruity, but kind of, I don't know, like warm fruity, not like super fruity. So anyways, it's pretty oily. So I think I probably need less than I did. And I want to wipe it on my other hand because I might want to use that other hand for the next product. So anyways, yeah, it's like an oily, I guess it's an oil serum. Retinoid renewing serum and kakadu plum, sea caviar. Yeah, because you know, it's like all serums are all come in all different forms, right? Sometimes there's aloe-based serums, there's water-based serums. So I was kind of curious as to if this is an oil-based serum. But yeah, it's seed oil, sunflower oil, or rather, I'm sorry, orchid flower oil, squalane oil. Okay, so it's an oil serum. Nice scent. And yeah, I'm so excited to try this at night since that's what they recommend. So that is the Aqua A Retinoid Renewing Serum. I will be 38 in about the next 10 days. So it's probably good to be using some of these anti-aging products. Anyways, okay, so let's move on to the Pamplemousse Tropical Enzyme Cleansing Oil. I'm excited to get a cleanser. Not that we haven't gotten cleansers, but I just always enjoy cleansers. Okay, Tropical Enzyme Cleansing Oil, 3.38 ounces, $56. If complexion renewal happens overnight, your most luminous skin begins the next day. Start fresh with a cleansing ritual using Pamplemousse Tropical Enzyme Cleansing Oil, an emulsifying oil, okay, so we can use water to clean it off, that blooms into a skin brightening milky lather to dissolve oil, lift makeup, and rinse away impurities for sublimely supple skin. Opulent and rich macadamia oil is the beautiful base of this cleanser. All right, so macadamia oil is the base, delivering skin mimicking moisture, skin nutrition, and antioxidant protection. It's blended with sunflower oil to offer a lightweight texture that emulsifies when exposed to water. Pineapple and papaya enzymes gently break down pore clogging proteins and help brighten and refine a dull texture. Guava and plumeria both offer antioxidant and complexion improving benefits that leave skin feeling soft and smelling ever so sweet. Superpower ingredients are macadamia nut oil, pineapple and papaya enzymes, grapefruit, plumeria, guava, sweet vanilla bean. I'm excited to see the scent. Smell the scent. Got to take off this sticker. As I said, it's Saturday and I am momming it up. I was trying to open this while I was reading it. It's not budging. I can still smell the vitamin A stuff. All right, the ritual. Apply 2 to 3 pumps of cleanser evenly to dry face. Wet your hands with warm water. Gently massage skin in circular motions to dissolve dirt, makeup, and excess oils. Rinse with warm water. I was just thinking to myself how much I love getting the box every month. It's like absolutely one of the highlights of my month. All right, let's do like one pump. There we go. Ooh, it's definitely fruity. Oh, it smells really good. Oh my gosh, I like the smell of that. I've heard that Leilani's scents are very like fruity and stuff. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. It's like, it absolutely reminds me of like vacation. It smells like, in some ways it reminds me of like the sunscreen that came in like the brown bottle. I can't remember what the name of it is. If I remember, I'll put it down here. My dad used to use it. It was like, I can't remember what it was. I'll have to Google it, but I'll put it down there. It doesn't even necessarily naturally smell like that, but it reminds me of like fruitiness, and it smells like sunscreen sort of, and like vacation and like tropical drinks. I love it. It smells so good. Anyways, so that's the cleansing oil. So I'll have to use that throughout the month. So this is going to be awesome. I'm going to use the cleansing oil, the tropical enzyme cleansing oil, and then I'll use some essence of that I have. And then I'll do like this at night. At some point I'll do the mask separately. And then I'll use the Aqua A Retinoid Renewing Serum. And then I will use the moisturizer that I have. I'll open it so I can like get the full experience of Leilani. So that is awesome. Cool. And they always give you a thing called One Way to Play. And it shows you like the different products and stuff. So it shows their toner, which I don't have, their Melly Glow, which I have a sample of, their cleansing oil, which we have, some type of, oh, the elixir, that's what I have. It's some type of elixir. Let me see if it says here. Mahina Evening Elixir. I don't think that's the one I have. I'll have to see what it is. But anyways, it tells you like a whole way that you can like do their whole ritual, the Dream Sweet Skin Ritual. And they go through like all these different things like cleansing, plumping, hydrating, serum, moisturizer, etc. So that will be very cool. I'm so excited because they both smell really good. And you know I love the scents. And I'm super excited that it's Leilani, a brand that I've never gotten a box from since I've been a member for about a year and a half. Yeah, so that's awesome. So definitely leave me some comments below as to what you think of this box, if you received it, or if you've used Leilani before and you have an opinion about their products, whether they're nice or anything, you know, any comments. I love to chat with you guys. So I will be using them this month, and then I'll report back at the end of the month as best as I can as to how my experience was. Please give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or enjoyed it, and click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. And I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments below. Have a great day. Bye.